Okay, y'all. I done wind up getting caught in a motherfucking hurricane storm out the blue. Like, it was rain, it was drizzling a little bit throughout the day, but this is ridiculous. I literally had to stop mid-drive. I was on the way to pick up my third customer and get this $12 bonus, but a $12 bonus ain't worth this shit. Like, the roads are literally flooding. The store done closed down early. I'm now just getting ready to drive because it done eased up a little bit. Honey. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh Lord, now it's picking back up. But then the emergency announcement done came on. I done tried to shut you off. Talking about lift request 18 minutes away. I'm taking my ass through the house. And pray that my car don't get damaged, because I can't even put the cover over it. That damn thing can go off all it wants to. I'm not traveling in this damn weather. And then one of the poles done got knocked out because the internet service. I can't even turn off the Lyft app, y'all. Oh Lord, this area is known for building up water. Like, where is the water sign? Woo! Oh shit! What in the hell? Oh hell no! The motherfucking lights are out, y'all. Oh hell no! Oh shit! Woo. Y'all pray that I make it to the house in one piece. Now, from y'all in, it don't look as bad. Oh! Now, from y'all in, it don't look as bad. But, honey, it is literally pouring the fuck down out here. And just to think that it was just bright and sunshiny just a minute ago. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what they about to do. They going to a darn on light. The darn on light is down. And you would think in 2021 there would be some emergency generators for some shit like that. Like, the whole light is down, y'all. That is crazy. Child, I hope the power's on in my damn place, though. Well, y'all, oh my goodness, fuck that Lyft bonus, honey. I got my ride in today. I done made my $80 for the damn day. DivaWuan, do not get greedy. I'm at 80 rides. I need 20 more to go. But I got all the way to the 15th of the damn month. So it's like, even if I just do 2 rides a day at this point, I would be good. But like I said, I was so anxious to try to get this shit done by the 1st. But honey, they saying that it's supposed to continue being like this. Oh hell no. DivaWuan would not be picking not nobody up in this type of weather. And then my thing is this. How in the hell you gonna send me somebody 18 fucking minutes away? Near all the damn stores I'm at. Well, granted, they did try to send me to a bitch who was at the Family Dollar that was down the street. And see, here's another thing with Lyft. Now, I can't stand the fact that we cannot send a customized message that they have selected messages for us. Because if I was able to type, I would have asked her, is her drop-off anywhere nearby? Because I probably would have gone ahead and picked her up if I knew that she was only going down the street somewhere, or, within 2-3 miles. And we ain't having to hit the damn bridge. But, oh no. Granted, it's now easing up, but fuck that shit. I done already lost my damn bonus. I done made a bonus earlier today any damn ways. Like I said, I done made my damn $80 for the fucking day. Now, as I'm pulling up to my house, I'm a little bit nervous because I don't see nobody lights. Oh, well. Okay, my neighbor's light on, so that means the power's on. Whew. Okay, y'all. I'm at the house. I done made it in one piece. But that has been my day, y'all. So I done did... Uh-oh. A phone call coming in. But I done did a total of 6 deliveries. I mean, not 6 deliveries, but 6 pickups today. And of those 6 pickups, I done made me over $80. And the interesting thing today is, I done got caught up in a darn hurricane storm, honey. Child, I'm glad that it's now easing up. But that shit was darn on something terrible. I had my last person in the car, and all of a sudden it just went, the sky done went pitch black and just, honey, rain just coming down. I said, oh, hell no. Let me get on in the damn house and call it a fucking day. Y'all feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all soon with more videos. Let me go on here to get my key. I'm going to have to run in the damn house, y'all. I probably could get my darn going. See, I got to get all the way back here to get my umbrella. Shit, is there any way I can lean this darn gonna seat down? There we go. Woo! Oh. Y'all see this type of ratchet shit I got to do? Ooh. I ain't even know my seat can go all the way down like that. Okay. Woo! Oh, 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 oh. Make sure I don't accidentally knock this bitch and drive, honey. Okay. Y'all feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all soon with more videos.